Hello and welcome back to the course on Tableau. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to pivot our data, and today we will look at a feature which was introduced in Tableau 9, which is called split. So this split feature allows you to split one column into multiple columns. And to be frank, it's not very applicable in our specific case because our columns look as they should. But I would just want to show you this feature because I think it can be very handy when you have certain types of data. For instance, if you have customer data, then you might have a column which has their full name, but you want to split it into first name and last name. And so that can be easily done. And we'll just have a look at an example with this column. We'll be using the regions column to perform this example, even though we actually don't need to do this in this specific data set. But nevertheless, just for argument's sake, we'll pretend that this is name and surname. And we want to split out the surname out of this data. So let's assume that the last word, so that comes after a space, in this case America, is the surname, and everything before that is the first name. And you just want to split out the surname. So in this case it would be East, in this case it would be America, and so on. So you can really easily do that. All you have to do is, once again, click this drop down, select split, then say what word you want to split off. So you want to split off the last one word into a column, and use the separator, which is in our case is going to be a space. Click OK, and there you go. So you got the last word separated into its own column. So here you've got, once again, if there's only one word, you'll take that word. But in this case, it's got America. This case, it's got East, and so on. So let's do one more. You can split. What you can do is you can split all words, but find all the words that are separated by spaces. And it will find all the words. So here it's split Europe new members into Europe new members. Russia, Turkey, and other Europe, Russia, Turkey, and other Europe. So as you can see, that's a very powerful feature. If your data is not prepared in the sense that it's got the name and surname, for example, in one column. And that can be very useful as well, not only with Excel files. Like with Excel, it's not that hard to actually go into Excel and perform that split yourself here. But sometimes you might be getting data from a database or from other locations where you cannot make adjustments. So before if you do want to make adjustments before you send it into Tableau, you would have to export it into Excel or some other software, make the adjustments in there, and then take it in Tableau. Well, you don't have to do that anymore. Now you can just do all of this in Tableau. So there you go. That's how to use the split function. And next time we will look at metadata. I look forward to seeing you on that tutorial, and until then, happy analyzing.